XGIMI will begin pre-orders for its new high-end models in the Elfin series. The Elfin Flip 4K and Elfin Flip Laser on Makuake starting April 23rd, Thursday. XGIMI, a smart projector brand, is pleased to announce that it has achieved the world's No. 1 shipment volume in the home projector market in 2025. This marks the third consecutive year that XGIMI has achieved this record following 2023 and 2024. The Elfin series, the flagship series that has driven its growth and boasted the No. 1 sales volume within the XGIMI brand, will see the launch of two new models, Elfin Flip 4K and Elfin Flip Laser, which will be available for pre-order starting April 23, 2026, Thursday, on Makuake, a crowdfunding service for supporting new products and experiences. The Elfin series is XGIMI's flagship series, combining a compact, slim design with high image quality. Among them, the top-of-the-line model, the Elfin Flip 4K, was developed with the concept of a 4K projector that fits Japanese lifestyles, combining a slim design with high performance. With its slim design that blends seamlessly into any space and meticulous attention to detail in its quality, this speaker is suitable for a variety of uses beyond just home theater applications. It's designed to be a comfortable and integral part of your daily life. Elfin Flip 4K product overview. With its slim design and integrated gimbal that can rotate 150, it allows for flexible placement, such as projecting onto walls or ceilings. It fits neatly into limited spaces like bookshelves and blends naturally into everyday living spaces. Featuring the latest generation Niche Corporation 3-color laser, QLOS, RGB series, and a 0.98 to 1.3 to 1 optical zoom, this projector achieves both high brightness of 1600 ISO lumens at 4000 resolution and high installation flexibility. Furthermore, it boasts low latency of 1 millisecond. ALLM and VR are compatible gaming performance, and Harman Kardon speakers, making it the top-of-the-line model in the series, combining image quality, sound, and usability. The operating system is Google TV. Key features of Elfin Flip 4K slim design and high installation flexibility. The integrated gimbal design, which allows for 150 rotation, enables flexible installation to suit your lifestyle, such as projecting onto walls or ceilings. Its slim design allows for neat storage even in limited spaces like bookshelves, blending seamlessly into your everyday environment. Brightness of 1600 ISO lumens. It projects clear images even in bright daylight. Equipped with optical zoom. This projector offers a rare 0.98 to 1.3 to 1 optical zoom range for its price point, allowing you to adjust the projection size without compromising image quality. Even in compact spaces, it enables large screen projection at shorter projection distances. A 100-inch projection is achieved at a distance of approximately 2.17 meters. This data is a reference value for screen size at a projection ratio of 0.98 to 1. You can enjoy a large screen experience even in a limited space without sacrificing image quality. Niche Corporation's latest generation NUMB 423 color laser, QLOS, RGB series, adopted equipped with Niche Corporation's latest generation 3-color laser, which has received the Academy Award for Science and Technology. It establishes a foundation for high image quality from the light source level, achieving high brightness, high color reproduction, and high stability. Low latency designed for gaming. It boasts low latency of 1 millisecond and supports ALLM and VRR. This ensures smooth, tear-free video display with minimal latency, providing an immersive gaming experience on a large screen. Harman Kardon speakers. Despite its slim and lightweight design, it features Harman Kardon speakers. It delivers ample volume to fill the entire room and supports Dolby Audio and Dolby Digital Plus decoding. It expresses depth and dimensionality in sound, allowing you to enjoy high-quality movie viewing without connecting external speakers. A more advanced smart experience automatic keystone correction, autofocus, automatic obstacle avoidance function. Features include automatic screen adjustment, wall color adaptation, and eye protection. Product overview of Elfin Flip Laser. With its slim design and integrated gimbal that rotates 150, It allows for flexible placement, such as projection onto walls or ceilings. It fits neatly into limited spaces like bookshelves and blends naturally into everyday living spaces. It uses the latest generation NUMB 423 color laser, Quelas, RGB series from Nietzsche Corporation, achieving high brightness of 1600 ISO lumens and rich color reproduction. Enjoy a vivid visual experience unique to laser light sources, even at full HD resolution. The OS is Google TV. The Elfin Flip Laser is a lightweight and stylish smart projector offered in cloud purple. It measures 254-245-75 millimeters and weighs approximately 1.38 kilograms. This model provides full HD resolution with the same triple laser light source and 1600 ISO lumens brightness. It delivers a 10,000 to 1 contrast ratio with DBLE enabled and uses a fixed 1.2 to 1 throw ratio. Unlike the 4K model, it does not include optical zoom, VR, R, or ALLM features. For gaming, it offers 20 milliseconds input lag at 1080p at 60J in game mode. Smart features include auto keystone correction, autofocus, screen adjustment, and eye protection. Audio is powered by a built-in 17W Harman card speaker, while Google TV provides access to streaming apps and smart controls. It supports projection sizes from 40 to 200 inches, with a recommended screen size range of 60 to 120 inches. The story behind the product's creation. The Elfin Flip 4K was developed with the aim of creating a 4K projector that fits seamlessly into Japanese lifestyles. Its slim design that blends naturally into any space, its brightness suitable for daytime use, and its meticulous attention to detail and quality make it a projector that truly integrates into everyday life. Furthermore, it's not limited to home theater use. It also supports a variety of applications, including ceiling projection and gaming, making it versatile for a wide range of situations. Challenges during the product development process. In developing the Elfin Flip 4K, we tackled the challenge of achieving a balance between a slim design, high performance, and efficient heat dissipation. We were required to integrate multiple high-performance modules into a slim 7.8 cm CC while ensuring stable operation and quiet operation. Leveraging our consistent design and manufacturing capabilities, XGIMI optimized the optical and structural elements. By redesigning the internal structure, we achieved efficient heat dissipation. As a result, we deliver a comfortable viewing experience that combines high performance with quiet operation. Sales period product name, Elfin Flip 4K regular retail price, 206,800 yen, tax included. Discounted price, from 109,600 yuan, tax included, up to 47% off. Makuake pre-sale start date, April 23, 2026, Thursday. Product name, Elfin Flip Laser. Regular retail price, 139,800 yen, tax included. Discounted price, from 79,900 yuan, tax included, up to 43% off. Makuake pre-sale start date, April 23, 2026, Thursday.